July. It's Air Conditioning Appreciation Day. Okay, I understand. We all enjoy air conditioning when it's hot and humid. However, we need to appreciate air conditioning units. So, in like April, we call all night heating and cooling, and we come out and review maintenance, do a checkup on our AC unit because it's been sitting there. During the wintertime, you don't run an air conditioner in Ohio. Then we call them back out in September, October, so they can check the furnace because during summer you don't run the furnace in Ohio. So we appreciate our HVAC. So we call them out twice a year. Yeah, okay, maybe it's $85 a time, but they catch things. They give us helpful hints on how to maintain it and do things to lengthen the livelihood. That's how one time they caught that we had a crack in one of the places where the flames go out. And they shut her down immediately and red tagged it, and we had to get a new furnace. Thankfully, we had a homeowner warranty at that time and helped offset the cost. As a matter of fact, I think we paid most of it. So take care of your air conditioning, take care of your furnace, call someone, and we thoroughly enjoy all night heating and cooling here at 735 North Wilson and just north of I-70 and just east of 270. So it's locally owned. They used to have an office in Hilliard. They moved it, and they're a great person. The same guy comes every time, so he knows us. He knows our HVAC, and so he knows what to look for because he fixed the errors of the people that installed our new one. He fixed what we screwed up and reconnected stuff and made it great. So please find a reliable HVAC company. Please use the same one over and over as long as they're doing the job so you can build a relationship with them. They know your unit and they know you. They know your house. So it is great. So please remember, this is the 3rd of July. The public air conditioning is running today. Hopefully you did a HVAC tune-up in April and another HVAC tune-up in September or October.